guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you very much for clicking on this video. I really hope you stick around and hit the subscribe button. If you are an existing subby, thank you very much for coming back. So I have November Glossybox to reveal with you all. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know I've been having this for ages. I absolutely love the Glossybox. You get over £50 worth of products every single month delivered to your door, and you pay, I think it's £13.95 with postage and packaging too. So it's well worth the money. And then you get to try brands that you haven't tried before, and also you get exclusive expensive brands, and you're just paying pennies. So okay, so they always give you a sneak peek of next month's, and December's one is a Symbiosis London. It's a acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum worth, wow, £102. So that is what we're going to get. That is just one product, and you always get at least 5 products, so that is well worth the money. So you're going to have that in the December box, plus at least 4 others. So it's well worth the money. And I will suggest you go on and order now, ready for next month, because it always sells out. So I will leave a link down below so you can go straight to the subscription service and sign up for it. Anyway, let's find out what's in this one. Ooh, so we have argan oil from Morocco, repairing deep conditioner, strengthens and restores dry damaged hair. Now I love argan oil. I've tried a few of these products, and it is quite a lot of product you get here. Can't see how many. Oh, 50 ml. You get 50 ml of product, and it feels really thick as well, so that's gonna do wonders for your hair. I tend to do this just before I'm gonna dye my hair, and then I do it a week later as well to keep it soft. So yeah, that is a great first product. And this is worth £2 if you buy this. The retail price is £2 on that one. Okay, so next we have, it's a Q-Bella Professional Recharge and Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. It says it recharges mind and rejuvenates the skin. So that's what that one looks like. I'm hoping the lighting is okay in here for you guys. It's looking a bit dark really. Yeah, I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm excited to give it a go. It contains sodium hyaluronic. Okay, never mind. You can just look at the packet when you get it of what the ingredients are. Okay, so this retails for £2.49. So yeah, I'm excited to try that one. Okay, so next, we have something from Spectrum. If I can open it up. Oh, it's a makeup brush. Ooh, this looks really nice. So yeah, it's a Spectrum brush. I think this is a crease brush. Let me see. Spectrum pointed blender brush. So yeah, I would use this on my eyes. The retail price for this is $7.99. So yeah, it's a pointed crease brush, and that feels really nice. I always want new makeup brushes, so this I'm very happy with. It is the Spectrum BO7. So yeah, that's the next one. Okay, so this next one, okay, it is actually another mask. I don't know why they've given so many masks this time. They never usually do. But this is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. You get 50 ml of product in here too. The retail price for this is £35. So it says apply an even layer to clean dry skin, wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water and gently rinse off the mask in circular motions, then lightly pat your skin dry. £35. So let's have a look at this. It doesn't really smell of anything, if I'm honest, but it is actually, well, I'd say it looks grey more than purple, but I will test this out and let you know what I think. But yeah, £35 is, you know, worth getting, isn't it? Okay, so we have one more product here, and this is from La Splash Cosmetic, or LA Splash. I'm going to say La Splash because it sounds nicer. So it's an eyeshadow palette, but look at the packaging on this. That is really, really pretty packaging. So, oh, and it's also on there. Really, really pretty. Oh no, one of mine is crushed. Oh. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to show you this now without it tipping out. But you have a mirror here. I'm going to hide that. These are all the colours you get. Obviously you can see the black one is a bit crushed, which I'm disappointed with, but it is very, very pretty. Rose quartz, selenite, sunstone, argonite, tiger's eye, citrine, amber and onyx. Really, really pretty autumn colours, so I'm definitely going to be using this in a video. Oh, I'm really disappointed that that is crushed. I've never had any problem before with anything being delivered, so that is definitely a one-off for Glossybox, but I will still use it anyway. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette retails for £29. So you have well over £60 worth of product here, which is absolutely great. So yeah, I'm excited for next month's now, knowing that we're going to have the £102 eye serum. But yeah, absolutely worth every single penny. And like I said, it sells out super quick, so please click on the link down below, go and sign up to it. You can have 1 month subscription, 3 months, 12 months, 6 months, whatever you want. You can cancel at any time as well. I absolutely love this. It's like a treat from yourself to yourself every single month. New products to try, and there's always stuff to make you want to do a pamper night and treat yourself. So yeah, please go and check them out. I highly recommend them. It would even make a great Christmas present. That was everything in this month's Glossybox. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the description box for the current giveaway, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye guys.